Tracy Hugelmeyer here with VintagepreneurUniversity.com, where I help vintage sellers start, grow, and scale their business on Etsy. I also own my own vintage business on Etsy, Rustic Eye, that I've had since 2013. And I'm super excited to get started with a new episode of Motivational Monday, where I'm going to talk about using your platform. Now, you may not think of yourself and your business as having a platform, but I want to tell you about what inspired me to make this video. It was this past weekend, I went to go see Zombieland 2, great movie by the way, if you like that kind of thing, which I happen to. And the ticket taker, not when we were coming in, I think it was a different ticket taker, but as we were leaving, he looks over to us and says, "Have a wonderful day, you're amazing people," or something like that. But I was just so taken aback by it because here is just a regular person working their job at a movie theater, using their platform to a potential that most people wouldn't even think of. He was all about making people smile and making people have a good day. And I know you've ran into people like this in your day-to-day life. And you've probably also ran into the opposite of that. People who are, they're bringing you down by their very presence in the way that they interact with you, at a counter or on the phone if you're calling to get help somewhere. Anytime you have an interaction in a sales process or in a service process, if you're helping somebody, you have the opportunity, a unique opportunity to use your platform. Now, usually when we think of using our platform, we think of somebody huge like Ellen DeGeneres, right? I mean, she uses her platform in an amazing way to make people smile and to recognize people for the things that they're doing in their everyday lives. And she does it in a really, really effective way. And also to spread kindness, right? She's all about spreading kindness. But don't overlook the fact that you also have a platform. And every time someone's reaching out to you to find out a question about something that you're selling or sharing with you a small piece of their life, why they want that, whatever it is that you have, or what they're going to do with it, or what it means to them, that is an opportunity for you to connect with that person and use your platform in your everyday job. But even bigger than that, anytime that you have a presence on social media or whatever it is, you have that opportunity to use your platform. Now, here I am today using my platform on this YouTube channel to talk to you about using your platform and hopefully help convince you that what you're doing is important work. And sometimes those are the types of things that you need to be reminded of to keep yourself going when you're feeling like giving up. So that's part of, why I'm making this video today. And here's another example of how I try and use my platform in my business, Rustic Eye. Let's say I'm shipping something internationally. Maybe it's silly, but I look at that as my little chance to connect with that person in another country that I otherwise wouldn't get. And those types of interactions are the things that remind people that we're all just humans and we all want similar things, right? So I like to say hi on, an extra hi from California or something in my little note, so that maybe when they think of the United States or California in the future, they remember that friendliness over something else that they might be upset about. It's a little thing, but it can add up to be a big thing. And if you're thinking to yourself, well, I don't have a very big platform, I've only had 30 sales and I only have 100 people following me on Instagram. Okay, think about it like this. If those 130 people were standing in front of you in a room, would that be a small amount? No. I mean, sometimes I think we lose touch of that on the end of every transaction or at the end of every person who is listening to you. It's an actual person. It's not just a number. So even if you've only had one opportunity to use your platform, that matters and that's important. And it's also one more reason on my 5 billion reasons why you should have excellent customer service, because these are people that you're dealing with and you can choose to use your platform to do good, to make people happy, to make people smile, to make people feel listened to. And above all the other positive things that that goes to for your business, it's also using your platform in that positive way. So thank you, movie ticket guy. You probably didn't even realize that by you just being you and being awesome, you inspired me to hopefully spread the word and do more kind and goodness and get other people to do the same with their platform. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and also click the little bell so you get notified as well. And if you'd like to get some of my other secret tips and resources just for you as my YouTube listener, you can do that at vintagepreneuruniversity.com/secret, and I'll link to that below for you in the notes as well. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.